Welcome. In this session, we will discuss some of the very important and simple ways for preserving the grains or storing the grains. So there are five different ways under which we will discuss those. So let's proceed with them one by one. The first one is the preventive measure. Under preventive measure is simply drying it well. So this reduces the moisture content by 10 to 20%, and then there can be clean structures where these could be stored. So these clean structures could be insect proof, moisture proof containers called as hermetic bags. And finally, treatment with fungicides or biofungicides is a good example. Now, some of the important fungicides includes thiophanate methyl or carbendazim. However, biofungicides are also into existence, like trichoderma is one such important biofungicide. So these are simply the preventive measures. The next we talk about is the physical method. Now, physical method includes cooling. Now, cooling reduces the temperature. With cool air, there is slow growth of microorganisms. The next is aeration. With regular turning of the grains, there is no hot spot that is remaining, and therefore the growth of the microbe ultimately slows down. And the next one is irradiation. Gamma irradiation is used to kill fungus or the insects, and however, this has a very limited use. The next important method that we would talk about is chemical methods. Chemical methods include fumigation. Now, fumigation includes phosphine, which is aluminum phosphide. Then you have methyl bromide. The use of methyl bromide is very restricted. There are some other protectants. Protectants are basically the salts or the organic acids in the form of propanoic acid, acetic acid, which are used to treat the things. The next is monitoring and early detection. Of course, this is an easy way where you can regularly inspect to check for molds, heating or any kind of odor. Maintain the moisture and the temperature accordingly with the sensors. And the last one is a biological control, which is very important. Now, there are some antagonistic microbes. Some of them are Bacillus subtilis, Pseudomonas fluorescens. And then there are plant-derived fungicides. Neem, eucalyptus are some very good examples, and these are used for storage of grain. So these were some of the basic ways through which storage is done. However, there is another approach which is called as an integrated approach. Under the integrated approach, you combine these different methods. For example, from the preventive method, you would take, let's say, seed treatment. From the physical method, you will take cooling. From the chemical method, you will take protectant. So combining various forms, it could be drying, sanitization, sealing, monitoring, and a combination of those would lead to better control of food grain storage facilities. So those were some of the important things that we have discussed in this go. In case you have any questions or queries, feel free to connect back on the link below. Thanks for joining. Have a wonderful day.